One of the customary measurements of length is the inch. And we're going to construct an inch together with all its different parts. Alright, take your piece of copy paper, draw a line across the middle. At one end place a 0, and at the other end place a 1. Now right in the center of your line place another mark, and we'll label that the 1/2 mark. 1/2 of an inch. Now in between the 0 and the 1/2 mark and the 1/2 mark and the 1, we're going to place another mark. This will be the 1/4 mark and the 3/4 mark. So we have 0, 1/4. This is 2/4 or 1/2. These are equivalent fractions. Then we have the 3/4 mark, and then we have 4/4, which is equal to 1 whole. Now we're going to make halfway marks between each of these sections. This will symbolize the eighths. So we have 1/8, then 2/8, which is equivalent to 1/4, 3/8, 4/8, which is equivalent to 2/4 and also 1/2, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and then of course 8/8 equal to 4/4 or 1 whole. Now for the 1/16 of an inch, in between each of those marks we'll place a mark halfway between. That of course is the 1/16. And then we'll follow that across, and at each mark or indicator we'll have another 1/16. So that's 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, of course equivalent to 2/8 and 1/4, 5/16, 6/16, 7/16, 8/16, equivalent to 1/2, 9 and 10/16. Here we would have 11/16, 12/16, 13, 14, 15, and then of course 16/16 would complete the inch.